Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Aziza Dinda Laksuri. My student number is 19323238. I am one of the students in Indonesia Islamic University, majoring international relations. Today, I'm going to explain to you how to make correlation analysis by using Microsoft Excel. This is one of my final project for statistic class in my major. First thing first, of course we need a data. Here are the data that I use. You can use any data you want. If you want to try and make one, you can use some random data in the internet by searching it with the keyword X and Y data. So in my data that I found here, the X is the free variable and the Y is the dependent variable. So I'm gonna retype it so we can use it for our tutorials. Okay, so we already have the same data here, but this one you can click on it. This one's cannot, so we can use it for our tutorials. So what you need to make a data analysis is make sure your Excel have the data analysis menu. You can check it by clicking the data, and here's the data analysis. If you don't have the data analysis here, you can turn it off. You can turn it on by clicking File, More, Options, Add-ins, Go, and then you can check it here. You need the analysis toolbox, so you click it, and then OK. Then you have the data analysis here. So let's make the correlations by clicking the data analysis. There are a lot of tools here, but we only need the correlation because okay. So this is what is the correlation pop-ups looks like. So we should input range by clicking this. The range is we should block all this data we have, and then group by columns, and then label in the first row because we also block the X and Y. In the output options, I choose output range because I want to put the final correlation in this worksheet. But if you guys want it in the correlations input in the other worksheet, you can click this ones. I'm going to click the output range. I will put it here. So, okay. So here is the correlations that we have. So because we already have our correlations here, the X and X is make the one value, the X and Y is 0, the X and Y is 0.99, etc. And the Y and Y is make it 1. So these numbers here is equals to R. Okay, this is R. This is the R. And then what should we do with the R? We can see it if this data is significant or not by using this formula that will pop up in your screen. This one, the square root and minus 2, we could see it by the up value. And this one, the square root parenthesis 1 minus r square parenthesis is we could say it by the down value. So the things that we need to find is how much is the value for the up value and the down value. So first we can find the up value first by using this new formulas. You can click it. You can click equals and then click the R and then give it a star and then open parentheses. This is the formula SQRT, open parentheses again, and then the N here is how much is your data. Like I said earlier, we have 8 data here. 8 minus 2, close parentheses, and click it. So the F value is 2.427,475. And we also need to find the down value by using equals again. And then SQRT, open parentheses, 1 minus, click the R, and then the R, and then we should make it R squared. Close parentheses. So the down value is 0.1330707. So we already find the up value and the down value. Based on the formulas, we can find the tehitung if we already find the R, the up value and down value. So find it, I'll make it here. Wait. We'll make it here so you can guess consider the difference. Tehitung equals to equals up value divided with down value. Enter. So this is the value is 18 point and more because we already find the up value, down value, and the hitung. We can find the p value. How we can find the p value is by this new formulas again. Equals e dot this parentheses the hitung and then theta 8 minus 2 is 6, and then for the cumulative we could get because we already find our p value here. Now the next step we should do is to compare it with alpha. Alpha is equals to 0.05. So the p value is smaller than the alpha. So which means it's rejecting H0 and accepting H1, and there is okay. So this means that our correlations today is completely success. I think that's all for my tutorials today. I will back with the regression tutorials. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.